Hi everyone, welcome back to Hand Characters. It's MC here. We're going to talk about 3 characters today. 停, 停, 停. Yes, they all pronounced as 停, of course with different characters, different meanings. Let's get started. The first one, 停, 停. So it means pavilion. It's a pictogram. Let's take a look at the history of this character. So from very beginning, it's this form. It looks like this type of 停字. And in the middle of the process, it looks like this. And that looks like this type of 停字. It's a Chinese traditional architecture style. 亭子, 凉亭. So people will go in to take a rest, get away from the sun, and cool down. For example, 中国特色的亭子非常好看。中国特色的亭子非常好看。Then let's get into the character 亭。亭单人旁 means person, people. Characters with 单人旁 are all people, person related. So for this character, a person with pavilion, it means to stop. Because people will stop by at the pavilion and take a rest to either get away from the sun or take shelter from rain. So 停 means to stop. For example, 你能停一下吗？我在和你讲话。你能停一下吗？我在和你讲话。Okay, the last one, character 停 with 女字旁。So we all know 女 means woman, female. So characters with 女字旁 are all woman related. So this character is actually a really good one to represent woman. It's a very popular first name for female. You might see Wang Ting, Li Ting as nickname 婷婷. You might wonder why. Because 亭字looks very elegant and graceful. So if we describe a woman as 亭子, it means she's very graceful, very elegant. That's why we have this idiom 亭亭玉立. 亭亭玉立. It's describing a female like standing still, very elegant, very graceful, and slim like a 亭子, very beautiful. 你家女儿长得亭亭玉立的，真漂亮。你家女儿长得亭亭玉立的，真漂亮。Alright, that's today's hand characters talk. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Chinese character learning courses. I will see you next time. Bye!